Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful, amazing hairstyles, ideas and inspiration. Please, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to the family. You're welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And please don't forget to put on your notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a hairstyle trendy video that are trendy. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. I really love you guys. Keep on watching Stylish Baby TV. So into this video, I'm going to be showing you beautiful natural hairstyles that you can rock. These hairstyles, they're so beautiful, they're so unique, they're so elegant. These hairstyles are beautiful. You can rock these hairstyles for your little angel, your little princess. You can rock them to their school. This hairstyle will make them look so beautiful. Please, I would love you to also visit the